Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Me Beauty, and today we're going to see how to insert Muse symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert Muse symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, I'm just going to show. So the first priority is the keyboard shortcut. You just need to press Alt key on your keyboard with 230. Press Alt key and type 230 so you can just create the Muse symbol. This is the one way. And the second way of inserting the Muse symbol is about go to the insert option first and just click on the equation. Now you can see the equation important symbols are here. Click on this drop menu and here you can find the Muse symbol here. So here you can just insert the Muse symbol from the list of symbols like this. So this is the second way. And also there is a third way that you can just insert Muse symbol by pressing Windows key with a dot symbol on your keyboard. So it's open this dialog box. Here also you can find the Muse symbol on this first place. Just swipe down to the bottom section and here you can find it. This is how you just insert Muse symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Make Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.